We've downloaded the answer sheets, installed the app, created our key, and now it is time to grade our student papers. So we open up our Zipgrade app and we choose the quiz that we want to use to grade the papers. We press Scan Papers. You see the camera. All we have to do is just like we did when we set up our key. We're going to place our squares inside of these blocks, and immediately you see that Zipgrade has graded our student paper, recorded the student name, and given us our score. I'm going to move that paper out of the way, and I've graded my second paper. So it's just that easy and just that fast. You could go through a class of 30 papers in no time. Now I press Done. Let's see how our students did. I'm going to go to the item analysis. In the item analysis, you can see that all of my students said A for question number 1, and the green color tells you that they got it right. Same thing for number 2. But let's take a look at number 3. In number 3, you see that one student said A and one student said B, and that A was the correct answer. And as we scroll on down, you can see that in question 7, no student got it right. Both students said A, and both were incorrect. So as I look at this, I'm able to see the quiz. I'm able to see how my students did. I get an item analysis of each question, and I can go up to where it says statistics, and I can see that my minimum score was 80, my maximum score was 90. I have a class average of 85, and this is just powerful information that is provided to the teacher instantly using the Zipgrade app. Let's take a look at one more feature on the Zipgrade app. Let's review our papers. So I press Review Papers, and you will see a snapshot of each student's paper. I can go in and I can click on each one and review the questions that they got right and the questions that they missed. When I go back, I can also send this as a report. The bubble up in the right corner, the little share button, when I press this, in this case, I do not have a class created on the Zipgrade website. I could go and do that if I wish, but I can simply say done, and I get all of these options. I can send a summary in a PDF form of all the class. I can have a PDF of all the papers, just like I just showed you. I could also show all of these other options and also send it as a CSV file, which is like an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to choose a summary, a PDF, and go next. And I can decide what to do with this. I can put this in my Google Drive, or I can email this to myself. I'm just going to email it to myself. There it is, already set up in my email after I put in my email address, and I'm going to send this. Now, when I go to my email, I click on this and open up the PDF, and here is my report. So I would have a nice report to print out and enter my grades into Chalkable or whatever it is I want to do with my grades. Zipgrade is just a super easy program to use, and it can save you hours and hours of grading those multiple choice tests.